Well, civil engineering is the built environment, the houses you live in, the schools that you go to, the bridges and roads that you use. It's something that's existed for thousands and thousands of years. You're looking back at the Great Pyramids, you're looking at the Stonehenge. This is all civil engineering at its finest.
Coming out of high school, I didn't really necessarily know what I wanted to study. All I knew is that I wanted to make a difference. My initial thought was doing architecture. After some more research, I realized that the course I was actually looking for was civil engineering. You can play such a big role in making sure that we tackle societal and environmental problems through choosing the materials and making sure the structures we design are efficient.
There's a big emphasis on the design process. So right from the get-go, day one, you're thrown into a group with architect students, which first of all, lots of universities don't actually have the opportunity to do. And by working with architects, you're prepping yourself for the future, because as civil engineers, you're going to be working with architects on a daily basis.
So we start with understanding how something stands up. So we have our structure, and we're introduced to the different materials we can use, and we're introduced to the properties that certain materials have in order to make it fit for purpose for that specific structure.
We get to go on field trips. We take readings and conduct experiments on the environment, whether that's the beach or the forest or even the lake. We can test the alkalinity of the lake, for example. And this is all part of the learning experience in Bath.
I did my placement at a company called Harbour. So they are famous for their design of the Shard and the Beijing Olympic Stadium from 2008. And that year was just so much fun because you got to take a step back from your studies and learn how an actual business operates, and you really understand how what you learn at university is going to be applied. You realize the best ideas actually evolve in a team. In the industry, you work with many different types of engineers. So you have your mechanical engineers, you have your architects, you have your environmental engineers, and you realize that working together is essential to create beautiful structures.
Most people think that civil engineering is simply just building houses or building roads, but it goes further than that. So if you're looking for a more design-oriented course, and if you're looking to learn more about the environment and learn about the solutions to the problems we're trying to face, then the University of Bath is definitely for you.
It will make you so unique, and you will become the designer that our world needs.